Welcome back to this part 2 of this video. Let me do a recap of the previous one, part 1. In part 1, we were doing concatenate. Here, you see the formula is equal, concatenate, parentheses, C2 and D2. C2 is this one and D2 is this one. But you can see, as I said before, there is no space. Is where I moved to here and show you how to include any space. You type concatenate, equal concatenate, parentheses, C2, comma, space. You see space here and comma D2. This will show you how to write it with a full space in it. And for filling all columns, you click here, do it automatically. And as here, another recap, we have seen how to write one name by using this formula is equal text before, which means John only or Mary in this column of first name and the last name. You click here, you see is text equal text before parentheses if two is this one, it means this one, and you click space a little bit, quotation mark and space in it, and you close parentheses and you get one A. For another one here, for a name, for last name, if we want to write it only one last name, you click here and you see the formula is text after parentheses F2 parentheses. If you don't remember how to do this, please go back to the part 1. It will show you how exactly to do it. This is a recap. Let us jump to the next part of our video. It is to do how to do sum. Here you can see here in English, John Smith got 15. In French, he got 5. Mathematics, he got 45. Maths, for calculating maths, you click here, equal. This is E2 plus E2 plus K2 and you click enter. It gives you 65%. And you want to do it automatically as I said before. Here you can say. And as I said before, I'm going to show you how it is going to calculate if he failed or he succeeded by using a formula. Now we jump to the next one. Here we finished with sum, but those guys who are below 50 will be seen as fail, and those who are above 50, they are going to be succeed. So let's use a formula here. You set here. If you see, if text 1 max L2 is superior or equal to 50, let me zoom it. As I am saying, it is going to show me if is below 50 is a failure. Is above 50, you succeed. And then I put the value here. Success. Close here. And which means that the logic equal text, L2 superior or equal to 50, text if value, which is success, and text which is value if false, which is failure, and you click enter, it will show you this guy succeeds, because you see he has 65. If I were to click directly to this one, automatically it's going to give me a full of it, because this one has 35 failure, failed, 42 failure, 66 failure, 27 failure. Thank you very much, but I'm going to also to give you another bonus. I'm going to highlight it. If he succeeds, he will be in a blue color. If he fails, it's going to be in yellow or in red color. I mean red color. Then you come here, you select this one. First you select this column, and you come to Conditional Formatting. You click for new rules. You come here, format only cells that contains, and you click here value. You click equal to, and then you click here success, and you click here format. You click here, you select the border or fill. It's going to fill it in blue color, and then you click OK. You apply it all, it will give you all succeed is going to appear in blue color. Let me go ahead, please. Continue. Conditional formatting, new rules, format only that contains, and you click equal to. You click here, which is failure. You apply a format which is red here. You click here, it is going to apply it all. It is, you can see those who failed are in red color, those who succeed are in blue color. I thank you very much for this part of this video. I hope you enjoy it. But also, as I said in part 1, I'm going to give you a bonus how to add all countries automatically, as in the first column here. Before proceeding, let me show you how to create all countries and insert them in Excel file. Let us go to blank worksheet workbook, and then you can see this is a blank page, and we come here on file, and then come here more, then option. You can see after selecting option, you come out to this features. You click here on advanced, scroll down, 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 and you click here access list. After clicking on access list, you come here, there is a new list, then I will click here. After clicking new list, you come to your Word document where you can find your list of the all countries. You copy all of them, copy, and you come here to new list, then you paste it. Here you can see all countries are here. Some of you guys may ask me where I'm going to find this list of all countries. If you go to any website, mainly Chrome, Firefox, and any web browser, you can search for it. You type all country around the world, they give you all the list that you want, and then after that you click enter, OK, so that then you can see that all countries are here. You see this is the name of countries. Then if you click here, it's going to appear on this dashboard. Thank you. This was a brief how to add all countries. Then we can go back to our Excel file so that you can show you how to insert all countries. How to add it. Let me set these guys come from, maybe let me select Rwanda, let me say Uganda. You can see. Let me set Kenya, even though there are a lot of countries here. Kenya. We click here and you tap here. You see it, all countries will appear automatically. You see Kenya. Another thing that I'm going to show you, you can click here. As I select here, I'm going to select this column and insert a table. You see a tip, the table has header. It's going to give you a whole one. Do you see Kenya? Let me zoom out. You can see this country. As I said before, it is a bonus. I will show you how to do it in part 3. Part 3 of this video. If you stay tuned, you will see more about this. And as I said before, this one, you can click here. You can something which is more different. As I said before, what I'm going to show you, something. You can click on data. You see what is mentioned, data, and you can click on geography. It is going to upload. As it's uploading, you can wait a little bit. But if we have a network or Wi-Fi, do you see it is going to appear here as a geography icon. Here Kenya and Kiribati, Kuwait, Laos, Lesotho, Tunisia, Lebanon. You see is aligning with alphabet. As I said before, this is a bonus for you. Not if you do see this icon here, if you click on it, on right click, you can see a zip code. Let me give you an example of images. Let me show you. You can see images of all countries. You can click and add everything that you want. I mean, mortality, infantry, and national anthem. Let me add national anthem. A national anthem, you may see. It's going to appear. It is downloading. If we have a network, it's going to be easier then. You can see national anthem of all countries that I mentioned here. This is a bonus I told before. Let me do it. Mungu, nguvu yetu. National anthem is public. You can mention in your comments your country, and you will see your national anthem. As I continue here, you can go to official language. Let me click here on official language. You will see how to everyone. You see downloading, even the mentions here. Do you see in Kenya, their official language is Swahili and English. Other countries, Lao language, Arabic, Liberian language. You can see there are a lot of languages that in their country. If we continue, you can see another by adding. You can see there is a lot of things: total weight, time zone, urban population, languages, modern, life expectancy. There's a lot of things you can see. If I try to do with you, but in part 3, I will show you how to add automatically these countries. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for the part 2. Welcome.